What's up, guys? Absolutely nobody asked for this video, but I'm gonna give it to you guys. All right, I'm just gonna be getting ready. I am currently in California and recording on my phone. I didn't bring my camera because I just didn't want to bring it. So I'm in California right now, just visiting some family. I'm gonna be here for like a few months. Sorry if the lighting's not good. This is like the best lighting that I have. All right, so I went to Ulta yesterday and I picked up this foundation, this NYX Born to Glow foundation, and the Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. So I'm actually gonna start with this. Smells like strawberries. So I packed literally like just my favorite products, things that I use on the daily. So I also picked up this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is amazing, you guys. If you guys have not got this already, what are you waiting for? So I even have the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas, and I still really like this one better than this one. I don't know why. And this one was like, what, like 60 bucks? Did make a little dent on it. I just feel like the e.l.f. one is better. So I'm just gonna put the e.l.f. one. And it does have like a good amount on it. What is it, like $8 or something like that? Such a nice day today too. So I know my sister is gonna get home soon. I know she's gonna walk through those doors pretty soon. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys the products that I'm using. I'm not gonna really be talking, so okay. Alright guys, so I just decided to do a voiceover and show you guys what I'm using. I'm using the NYX Born to Glow foundation. This has become one of my favorite foundations. It just leaves my face so good. Okay, next I'm using the Juvia's Place Concealer. Okay, next I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. You already know that I'm gonna set my face with the Huda Beauty. Like, I don't use any other setting powder. Next, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetic bronzer. I love this bronzer. Now to deepen up that contour, I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia bronzer as well. It's just like a deeper color. Now I'm gonna actually bake, you know, fix up my contour. Now using my ColourPop brow pencil. Now using the whatever palette from ColourPop, like these colors are so fall. So I'm going in very lightly with the color Bad Guy. Now I'll just go back in and make that darker with the same color. Now I'm taking the Daisy Marquez palette from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm taking Vintage, which is like a kind of burnt orange, and just placing that in the center. Also using it for my lower lash line. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. So I forgot to set my brows, so I'm just using the Dipbrow Gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, back to blush. Using the Morphe X Jeffree Star setting mist just to set everything into place. Using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. ColourPop a Super Shock Shadow. So using this on top of my highlighter has really stepped up my highlighter game, you guys. It just gives it like this wet, glittery look to it. Using the Lorac eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna do like a smoky eyeliner type of thing. For lips, I'm using this NYX Lip Liner. The Anastasia Liquid Lipsticks. Now, a trick that I use to make my lipstick a little bit lighter in the center, I'll put white concealer. Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Pretty Vulgar mascara. I love this mascara. I feel like it just makes my eyelashes so long. So I'm just gonna put my Violet Voss lashes, and the look is complete, you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment down below. Y'all already know the deal. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.